Megapoxy P1 is a two-component gap-filling epoxy paste adhesive for many types of bonding and filling applications. It is available in conveniently pre-packaged 1, 4 and 20 litre kits with a simple 1:1 mix ratio. Before you begin mixing, you'll need to ensure that all contact surfaces like metal, concrete and stone are clean and clear of oil, dust and any other surface contaminants. Concrete and stone surfaces should be prepared by grinding the surface and removing all the dust and debris. This helps ensure effective bonding contact. Compressed air can be used to remove dust from cracks and holes. Clean metal surfaces with acetone to remove any oils or contaminants. Megapoxy P1 is VOC-free. As with all epoxy resins, please wear appropriate PPE, including eyewear, gloves and clothing, when mixing and applying the product.
Megapoxy P1 is a thick epoxy paste with the consistency of a putty. It has a 1-hour work time with a 24-hour cure at 25 degrees. So when mixing P1, using a flat surface that's not porous, nice and smooth, mixing the part A and the part B together at a 1:1. When we mix it, we just mix up as much as we need for the application we're doing, and that's not going to cure within the work time. Megapoxy P1 part A is white, the part B is black. So when putting it onto the board, just having the same height and the same roundness of each of the parts. So when they're on the board, they're visually equal. So when you're mixing this product, it's best to make sure that you're folding over it, which reduces the air entrapment. As you can see, as we're mixing, it's changing color. You want to be mixing this until it's all one color, no streaks. Approximately 3 minutes. If you start to mix it like this, that can also bring a lot of air in and it takes a lot longer to mix and you don't get such a nice thorough mix. As you can see, there's still some streaks. You want to make sure that it's all completely one color. The reason we use the flat surface is so that we can scrape every bit off and it doesn't get poured into the surface that we're mixing onto. It's a nice thorough mix. Once you've pretty well got everything the same color, make sure the board has no unmixed product on there. Even the spatula, and you just scrape that and give that a good clean as well because it gets unmixed product on there. Once it's all completed with the mixing and there's no streaks and it's all uniform dark grey, it's ready for use.
It is recommended for bonding precast concrete, metal to metal, or concrete, grouting bolts, compressed cement sheeting, bricks, ceramics and natural stone. Because it's a thick paste, P1 can be applied easily with a trowel for a perfect bond. P1 is ideal for filling and repair of concrete pipes and tanks, filling core holes, patching concrete floors, stairs, posts and flush filling countersunk screws in fibre cement. Applying Megapoxy P1 to cracks and holes is easy and fast. And because it doesn't sag, P1 is ideal for overhead or vertical surfaces. Uncured P1 can be cleaned with Megapoxy thinners. It's rapid setting and will cure even in cold or damp conditions, stronger than concrete with good chemical resistance. A smooth polished finish can be achieved by wetting a clean spatula and gliding it over the surface towards the end. However, never mix water into the combined part A and part B. Once cured, P1 has a high compressive strength, but it can be ground, sanded and shaped easily with power tools to give a smooth surface finish. For more tips and the technical datasheet on this or any of our other world-class products, visit our website at megapoxy.com.